Good day, viewers. Today we are going to be deliberating on sine A plus B and sine A minus B. Anywhere you see sine A plus B, it is equal to this, and sine A minus B is equal to this. But I'm going to solve my own math in another dimension. Okay, I'll start the video proper. I'll take this P. Let P equal to what? A plus B. Then my Q to be equal to A minus B. This is my P and this is my Q. Please observe what I want to do. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. I'm going to add equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. I want to add these two things together. So this one plus this, that is P plus Q, is equal to A plus A is 2A. Then this one plus this is 0. Then we are done. This one plus this is 2A. Then B plus minus B is equal to 0. So now I will make A the subject formula because I'm going to replace A with this formula. I'm going to replace what we have here with this. So I will divide both sides by 2. This cancel. Then A is equal to P plus Q divided by 2. You can call that my equation 3. Yes. The next one I'll be looking for is P minus Q. P minus Q. I'm done with that one now. So if I'm looking for P minus Q, it is subtraction now. So we are going to subtract the above equation. Subtract. Please, I'll be using shortcut. Equation 1 and equation 2. I'll be using shortcut. So let me subtract. P minus Q is equal to A minus A is 0. Very dogged. It's 0. So now the next one is B. Look at B minus B, because we are subtracting this negative B. So negative is positive. So that turned to B plus B. So this gives us 2B. That gives us 2B. That is 2B. Then I will divide both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. That means that B is equal to P minus Q all over 2. I can call that my equation 4. Okay, let's go to the main solving now. If I want to add this, permit me to divide the board. Let me add this and this. Remember, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. I'm going to add these two things together. I want to show you something. Adding these two things together, it gives us this one plus this. It is the same. Sine A cos B plus sine A cos B. It will give us 2 sine A cos B. So adding these two things together, we have 2 sine A cos B. Adding these two things together, we have 2 sine A cos B. Then if I move to this side, it becomes 0. Like adding these two things together, it is 0. This one plus this is this. So these two things is equal to 2 sine A cos B. Whereas this one is 0. Now I'm going to replace this with what we have here. Permit me to clean the line again because of space. I'm going to replace this again. So permit me to write like this also, that sine P, A plus B is P. That sine P plus sine Q. This is Q. Look at, is equal to 2 sine A is what? A is P plus Q divided by 2 into cos P minus Q divided by 2. Like what I did here is to substitute what we got here into the formula here. Like sine P, A plus B is P. A minus B is Q. 2 sine A was what? From the last, A become P plus Q divided by 2. Then B is what? P minus Q divided by 2. So why are you solving all these things? This should be the picture, the question that you should have at the back of your mind. The reason I'm solving this is that there will be a question like solve for sine 4x plus sine 2x. Solve. If a question like this is given, solve. Then we should solve for sine 4x plus 2x. How are we going to solve this question? Yes, this is sine p, then sine q. Then sine p, sine q plus sine q is equal to what? Is equal to 2 sine a cos b. That is the formula. So this is equal to, in your exam, or 2 sine, you write sine. P plus Q is what? Is it not 4x plus 2x? Which give us 6x. 6x divided by 2. You move. Cos 4x minus 2x. Is it not 2x? It's 2x divided by what? 2. You continue solving. So this and this cancel. It is equal to 2 sine 3x cos. This and this cancel, and it is just x. So now what we are trying to say in a nutshell, that sine 4x plus sine 2x is equal to 2 sine 3x cos x. Yes. Very simple. We move again. Because of space, I'm going to give you one more question, then we end the video because we have a lot. The next question is solve for 11x plus sine x. So sine p plus sine q is equal to what? Sine p plus sine q is equal to what? Sine p plus sine q, this is equal to sine p plus sine q is equal to 2 sine p plus q. You continue because you know the formula already. Cos p minus q divided by 2. That is the formula. So this is equal to 2. You can solve this thing without calculator, even without pen and paper. 11 plus 1 is what? Is it not 12? Yes, it's 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then we move to the next one, cos. 11 minus 1, is it not 10? 10 divided by 2, is it not 5? 5x. That is the final answer to this solution given. Now, please, I will give you an assignment for those of you that follow my class. You will solve for, let me clean this. Solve for this and then drop the answer in the comment section. Sine 5x plus sine 3x. You solve for it, then you drop the answer. Goodbye, class.